Now forest then they one place, then they laugh, then they drink bottle. They never come and say, I they find you trouble. But to that way, they not be one person then they kill here. That 100 people they want kill. Because if you trouble come here, you don't know small picking. You don't know anything. Anybody. Any person where enter the village, any person where you see now to shoot and kill them, you don't go know that day brother. Something before army come, you can say some army stuff you know go feel.
Look at your face, you know.
I tell you. He get a place where some fight the boss there, then call army go there, surrender like this. He carry the whole gun, give the Fulani. They carry and go, they say make it then go. Nobody saw they happen. Okay.
And anybody where they kill, they don't kill.
They don't kill. We as they see us, he get something where we they see, where we sabi, but we don't tire, we don't want time.
Yesterday, whole Fulani for the
Yesterday, they call us, then go meet Buhari for grant.
Yes.
For Abuja.
Yes,
You see, they go meet Buhari like this. They beg Buhari. They say Buhari, they want to do something for Abonyi here. Buhari say make it they not try and make it they wait.
Wow, no good.
Now in a village, if these people will be group, na Igbo, not be saying another country. Like making the notice say that way Boko Haram they do. They test say then they do them, then they succeed. Boko Haram say where you see where then they do and not be one language. They are gift group. Yeah. But they no go come for village like we begin to kill this and kill this and they go. Make we not tell these people. Where you see this report, you don't need the whole Nigeria. Abonyi, you get to wait in the sea. Who they tell you now? Now the day where you see say Fulani don't pack it their house go. No single Fulani. You wait there here, go tell you say no sleep. But una be eye here. Make una the control. Make una the tell them. I beg. Anyhow trouble we good. Peace is better person.
Yes, sir.
If they sing, how they sing, it better. Quiet it better. Not be where something don't happen before you say, huh? If you to say I know, I for do like this. That one don't pass. See? If you see this man where them go kill it, them burn him. His wife he died last week. Only him with his pikin. He can't kill the father again, live on zero. Now they don't carry, and that day when they go give the Buhari the pepper, Buhari they cry.
Sure.
You get one people from Zampara, they say now human being they do this thing. They say I be make we leave it. We say no. We know they carry our action first. Make it the report reach everywhere first. I think they hear me. Okay, so far say you see then they carry this thing go far. America people then they put this thing then they hear them. Okay, if the day when the trouble boss, who go help you?
Nobody.
See? Before you see government know, some people don't die. What that government go as this is what they do for film now. Why government? Maybe some people carry the children they run. But you then thank God if in a Fulani they know that way then they run, they know they see where then they follow run. Like I tell you, Fulani fight is no good. Oh. We they tell you now when you see or say these people like bush. Fear them more. Make I they tell you. Any person where you don't see that fight where you see there, you know go pray God for your life. Make you fight with that people. We might as we dey here now, we dey fear. That's why you see anything where we hear sometimes, we know they make a call. You get some call where they do, it go bad for you.
Go affect you and even.
I want you to be at alert. I come across to this video in Facebook, and I am not an Hausa guy. I don't hear Hausa. But I have a friend who is Hausa. And I walk to him and I show him the video. I asked him to tell me what these people are saying. And he told me that what is good for me is I should leave this country. Or if I have any of my siblings over there in the east, that I should take them along with me. That we should move to any neighboring country around us. I asked him why, and he told me that what these people are saying is that they are not happy of what is happening to them, that they are crying of what happened to them at south, which is Yoruba part of the country. And the worst that happens to them is the one that happened at eastern part of Nigeria, which is Igbo side. That they have the God to kill their cow and set their house on fire. That their pain is not that they set their house on fire, is that they kill their cow. And they are asking them to leave their forest. Listen, and they are asking them to leave their forest. And they said that, the guy is telling me that these Fulanis there say that they are not going anywhere. That this land, which is Nigeria, belongs to them, and they are going and they will make sure that they flush any living thing in that Nigeria. Please don't take this lightly. I am informing all our security agencies over there in the east, all the volunteer command, please stay at alert, because this information that I got, I am sure, I know these people, they are coming back. You guys see them. You guys see them now moving. Where are they going to? I don't know. Please, when you got this video, make sure you share it until it reach a particular place that is supposed to reach. Don't take this lightly. I repeat, don't take this lightly. These people is coming back. Yorubas, prepare yourself. These people is coming back. We Igbo are ready to face them.
Igbo. Nanda mo kai sikwado. Hamo kai sikwado. Hamo na ikwadoro ofuma. Hamo na ikwadoro ofuma. Na weni bonya na ko ya. Hachina ndị Igbo, hachina ndị Igbo ndị Hausa o Ifedia o ndị Yoruba aya wa mawaka asị no eme Ifedia onye ọ na-atọkpa na ndị Igbo anya do ndụ wopụ ha ma ka isi kwado anyị kwadoro ọfụma ọnụ ma kwado anyị kwadoro ọfụma anyị just nọkata ha bido the thing. We not just start, we plan everything is, in fact, is in order. So anybody which say in head, no day in body, we go separate them from them. We go shift the head, in body go dey different, in head go dey different. Any of them, in all these Fulani people, Fulani herdsmen, kidnappers, all of them, both Igbo people where they kidnap, both Yoruba people where they kidnap, anybody where they catch, may they do the justice. Simple. We will not be only Igbo people, not be only Fulani people, they do kidnap. But now that one to enter villages to the Kiki people, that one and Fulani people they do one. Kidnapping not be only Fulani people they do one, not be Yoruba people they do one. But anybody where they inside bush, make him come up for that bush. So I go know what thing they happen inside bush now. Bush knows where people they live. People they, some Igbo people they not. Some Igbo people they different part of the world. Not inside bush now they live. Come outside. If you come outside the city, look for a place, buy land or land. Do what you want to do your business. People go they see you. Now so it they be, and now so one may they be. We know they say make Fulani people live Igbo land. No, leave bush. It's only animal that stays in bush. That is what we want, and that's how we want it to go. You see, from the indication of this, it shows that Buhari know everything, because the guy said that even they complain to Buhari said they should wait, then after they should attack. No, but don't worry, we are equal to the tax. We are equal to the tax. So one day, Hakopo,